Hey everybody in the crypto code. This is Joel. Hope you're doing well. Wow, crazy day today. If you didn't pay attention, crypto started just booming today. This is the crypto bubbles chart, and if you didn't hear, XRP looks like they won their lawsuit, and they won their lawsuit, and it is changing the market. So basically, we're going to be in this altcoin season right now, where altcoins have already started pumping today. XRP is up 71%. Now be careful about chasing a pump, because just as fast as these altcoins can go up, they can go down just as fast. So if we look at Bitcoin here really quick, make sure you pay attention to Bitcoin here. Let's look this up on a 4-hour chart. You can see on a 4-hour chart, guys, that we hit 31,804. That's my high right there. And then we quickly came down really quick down to 31,010. So about, $800 almost drop. And that is typical when you get in these big pump scenarios, because people are taking their profits. These are actually good swing trade days if you're a day trader, where many times you can sell. If you had bought in at one of these long signals, and I actually did, right in here is an area that I had done some purchasing. I've also been purchasing all the way in the 26th, the 28th, and even some of the 29 levels. And I definitely took some profits today. However, I am a kind of a swing trader on some of my portfolio. Okay, well, that said, pay attention to this, because you get these big price swings. So if we look at XRP right now, XRP on a 4-hour chart had its first little down signal. So you're going to start seeing this retrace down. So be careful not to chase a pump. Careful not to chase a pump. That is like an amazing candle. That shot up to 93 cents. But that crypto doesn't go all up at once. So it's easy to get wrecked on a pump like this. By the way, though, congratulations to those of you that got into XRP, took some profits. We saw some of our mastermind members that went in and did some bots on those and did like a 14% on the price follow up. Plus, we had some other mastermind members who had gotten into XRP earlier. Their WaveBots are doing awesome right now. In days like this, you'll see with these price swings dramatically go up and down, and you can suck a lot of the profits out of here. I think this particular account's done about $80 today, and a couple really nice ones. I can see that these are cranking away right there, guys. So a lot of my long-term investments are significant as well, and I know we have lots of members are as well. So take a look. Make sure you're watching these chart. Look at this on a 1-day chart. I mean, that is a crazy candle. But just know that thing is going to bounce around. Long-term wise, XRP is going to go, quite significant. So let's just talk really quick. Looks like we are going to be rocketing up here. Remember, things don't go up in a straight line, but we're probably going to have an altcoin season here. Bitcoin, in all indications here, is going to keep going up. We're really looking close at this 4-hour chart, and this 4-hour chart for just a little bit looked like we were going to start trending down right here. That's why I had some of these lines drawn right here. But then today with that noon, we are going back into the green. So good chance that we're going to, continue up and forward and up. And we're probably going to hit 32. Maybe we'll hit 34. Maybe we'll hit 36 and, continue on upward this year. But be ready, because on any type of these type of rallies, we are going to see a drop. There's many times on these types of rallies that you'll go up and then you'll see a 40% drop. And then you'll see it go back up again. And then you'll see another big drop. So it's very common to see these kinds of movements in crypto. So just be prepared for it. Use the indicators and take profits as on your way up, depending on what your market strategy is. Guys, congratulations on all your success. We'll do another market report tomorrow in detail. We'll talk about a few other things, but I just want to throw this out here. This is an awesome day in crypto. You get 1 or 2 of these days every year where you have these massive pumps and things get pretty exciting. But just be careful not to chase pumps. It can be really easy to be tempted to sit there and chase a pump. And just as much as something can go up, it can go down. I'll just show you, for example, that went up to 93 cents. So what if you got super excited and you bought that at 93 cents and now you're down 15% today? Okay, and so just be very, very careful. Wait for the pullbacks, wait for the buy opportunities. Look on, if you're going for XRP, look at a 4-hour chart, look at a 1-hour chart, and wait for these buy opportunities if you want to go in on XRP. I never chase a pump. I learned my lesson a long time ago. Real quick, I also put this in the forums, the crypto bubbles chart. It is kind of a good chart to kind of get an idea of a lot of altcoins that are going up. Now just be careful, because when these are up like this, that means you should be taking profits on these. So what I like to do is I like to look at the ones that are going down and those are the ones that I like to go ahead and get into. So this kind of gives an idea of some of the tokens that are pumping. So this is also a good idea on tokens that you can start WaveBots on, because some of these tokens here will do tremendous value, will go up significantly, and you can catch these quite a bit, catch the rise quite a bit. I mean, Stellar Lumens right there is just crazy. What else is good? Woo. I don't know about that. ADA, Cardano, ADA, AVAX. I think a lot of these ones that Solana's doing really well. A lot of these ones that were kind of labeled securities, whatever, they are pumping really hard because now their legal woes are. It's going to be a little bit easier for these guys. All right, guys, congratulations. Keep looking at the charts, at the data on the charts. This is when crypto gets really, really fun, and this is when these little seasons last, where you get to make some good profits. But just remember that just as quick as crypto can go up, it can go down. So use those indicators and take profits often. Take profits often. All right, guys, this is Joel Peters with the Crypto Code. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.